My name is Joy from the School of the Native English Speakers. I am an English teacher with over 5 years of experience working with children, with teens and adults. For my lessons, I make use of the Oxford Headway books for different levels of English. I use other specialized books like the Grammar Space. Now, the Grammar Space helps students that needs to work on the grammar. I also make use of online materials that can be very effective for learning. For my lesson, I prefer to use the Zoom app because the Zoom app makes learning easier and more interactive because of the different features of the app. We have features like the screen share. The screen share helps me to share my notes with the students, helps us to watch videos together and do other things together. Now the white paper. The white paper helps me to make illustrations during the lessons.
Do you agree with all of this?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So if you notice, will have, installed, will be, recycling, like that. So for future perfect tenses and future continuous tenses, we use it to talk about something in the future. But for future perfect, the grammar rule is will have plus past participle. That is the third form of a verb, right? So when we use the future perfect, we use it to say that something will be finished before a time in the future, before a certain time. So when I say the rain will have stopped by this afternoon, it means before this time or at this certain time in the future, the rain will have stopped. So that is future perfect. So we use future perfect to say something will have finished before a time in the future. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. And also, we frequently use this tense with time expressions like Saturday, by March, by Saturday, in 2 weeks, in 3 months, like that. Like, I will have completed my studies in 6 months' time. Do you understand? So we can say in 6 months or in 6 months' time. So we're using it to talk about something that will have been finished at a certain time in the future. So that's when we use future perfect tenses. And for the negative, we can form the negative with won't have plus the third form of the verb. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And then for future continuous, the grammar form is will be plus the verb plus ing. For example, we have a sentence: don't phone between 7 and 8:30 as we'll be having dinner then. So this is used to say that an action will be in progress at a time in the future. Do you understand?